Hey, so if you're getting an audience import error in Mailchimp, yeah, like your CSV file won't upload, contacts are missing, or the import keeps failing, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, make sure your file is in the correct format. I mean, Mailchimp supports CSV or TXT files, so other formats may fail. Next, yeah, check your CSV columns. I mean, each column should have proper headers like email, first name, and last name. Now, duplicate emails can cause import errors. I mean, remove repeated entries before uploading. Yeah, invalid email addresses like missing at or domain names will fail import. Clean your list first. Now, very large files can fail to upload. I mean, split your list into smaller chunks if needed. Yeah, extra spaces, special characters, or hidden formatting can break imports. Clean your spreadsheet properly. Now, make sure you haven't hit your audience limit. I mean, free plans may restrict how many contacts you can import. Yeah, browser issues can interrupt uploads. Try Chrome, Firefox, or incognito mode. If nothing works, resave your CSV file and upload it again. I mean, corrupted files often cause import errors. So yeah, that's how you fix Mailchimp audience import errors. Most of the time, it's file format, CSV structure, or data issues. Try these steps and your import should work properly. Thanks for watching.